Hi, in this short video, we'll talk about the evolution of the marketing funnel. From local stores to the digital world, we'll see how to guide people through their journey. I'll show you what a funnel really is, how it has evolved, and why it's essential in today's strategies. At the end, I'll share practical examples you can apply to your work. I'm Michele Bedin, and I work with WordPress, digital marketing, and data analysis. The funnel is a model that represents the journey a person takes from discovering a brand to making a purchase and even beyond. The main stages are awareness, interest, decision, and action. Using a funnel helps you stay focused, save time and resources, increase conversions, and improve customer experience. You'll often hear three acronyms: TOFU, MOFU, and BOFU. TOFU is the top of the funnel. The goal is to get noticed. MOFU is the middle. You nurture interest and provide more information. BOFU is the bottom, where you focus on decision and conversion. It's like leading someone from "I know you" to "I choose you." A funnel didn't start with digital. In the early 1900s, sales happened only in physical stores with no marketing. In the 1980s, TV and flyers appeared. Mass marketing was born. In the 2000s, we got SEO, price comparison sites, and retargeting ads. Today's funnel is fast, digital, and personalized. Social media, automations, e-commerce, emails, and tailored content. The traditional funnel was linear: ads, flyers, and in-store sales. The digital funnel is more flexible. It relies on content, social media, emails, automations, and customer care. A practical example: you see a LinkedIn post, visit a website, receive an email, see an ad, sign up with a discount. That's a well-structured digital funnel. Every business needs a different funnel. If you sell online, you'll utilize tools such as SEO, reviews, welcome discounts, and post-purchase emails. If you focus on social media, you'll need viral content, engagement, and calls to action like swipe up. If you offer training or consulting, content marketing is crucial. Blogs, podcasts, webinars, and free tools. Every funnel has its phases, but the goal remains the same: to guide people with a strategic approach. Let's look at three concrete examples. Spotify offers 3 free months. That's the awareness stage. Then you listen with ads, and if you like it, you upgrade to premium. Amazon finds you through Google Shopping, reviews, and personalized suggestions like Prime. HubSpot uses blogs and SEO to get noticed, offers free tools and webinars, and invites you to book a demo. We also have great examples in Italy. Subito.it uses local SEO, fast search, and direct user contact. AnyPlenitude combines TV ads and online simulators to activate contracts, even on mobile devices. WeRoad uses TikTok, storytelling, and community. Then it drives bookings with targeted calls to action. Each brand adapts the funnel to its strategy. There's no perfect funnel, only the right one for your case. It depends on your audience, the channels you use, your resources, and the customer journey. If you offer local services, keep it short: call, appointment, conversion. If you sell online, use automation, targeted ads, data analysis. The right funnel is the one that works for you today. Each funnel stage has its metrics: awareness, impressions, reach, website visits, interest, engagement, time on site, generated leads, conversion, conversion rate, cost per acquisition, sales, retention, customer lifetime value, reviews, word of mouth. Measuring is essential to improve. That's it for this Marketing Essentials video on funnels. To stay up to date with my content, follow me on social, especially on YouTube and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your work.